Imagine never worrying about running out of hot water while saving money on your energy bills. Sounds great, right? Well, with an electric tankless water heater, that can be your reality. Stick around as we dive into the top 3 benefits of electric tankless water heaters that you need to know about. Here at Monkey Wrench, we've been working with all kinds of water heating systems for nearly 2 decades now, from traditional water heaters to cutting-edge electric tankless units. We've stayed ahead of every innovation to better serve homes across Los Angeles and the surrounding areas. Today, I want to highlight the top 3 benefits of electric tankless water heaters. They're highly energy efficient, save space, and provide continuous hot water. But it's not that simple. Let's dive a little deeper, and after this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how electric tankless water heaters can positively impact your home and meet your hot water needs. By the way, if you're new here, consider subscribing. We're always putting out new videos every week. Now, let's jump right in. If you've ever owned a conventional water heater, you've probably experienced the frustration of running out of hot water during peak times. Not fun, right? With an electric tankless water heater, you get continuous, on-demand hot water. So how's that possible? Well, unlike traditional water heaters that store limited amount of water in a tank, electric tankless units heat the water instantly as it flows through the system. This means you get hot water whenever you need it without ever running out. Now, you might think continuous hot water uses more energy, but that's where the first benefit comes in. Electric tankless water heaters are highly energy efficient. According to the US Department of Energy, electric tankless water heaters are 34% more efficient than conventional models. They use something called the Uniform Energy Factor Rating, also known as UEF, to measure efficiency. Electric tankless water heaters typically have a UEF rating above 0.90. Compare that to conventional heaters around 0.63 UEF or gas-powered tankless units just over 0.80 UEF. What does that mean for you? Lower utility bills and a smaller environmental footprint. Higher UEF ratings can translate into hundreds of dollars in energy savings. Some folks worry that these heaters use a lot of electricity, but because they're so efficient, less energy is wasted. Most of it goes straight into heating your water. And if you have solar panels, you can power your heater with solar energy, cutting your electricity costs even more. Beyond energy savings, you'll also free up some space. Electric tankless water heaters are compact and mount right on the wall, so they don't take up any floor space like bulky conventional heaters. Plus, since they don't need a gas line, you have more flexibility in where you can install them. Their compact design is perfect for homes where space is at a premium. So there you have it. Electric tankless water heaters offer a continuous hot water, energy efficiency, and space-saving design. They're becoming increasingly popular, and now you know why. With this information, you can decide if making the switch is the right move for you and your family. If you're thinking about upgrading to an electric tankless water heater and you're in Los Angeles or the surrounding areas, feel free to schedule an appointment with our certified technicians using the link below in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're always adding new content every week. Thanks for watching.